In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams shifts. Whether you're a seasoned Teams user or just starting out, learning how to manage shifts can greatly enhance team productivity and organization. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to launch Microsoft Teams on your desktop. Microsoft Teams is your hub for collaboration and communication at work, and using it ensures everyone stays in sync. Once you've opened Teams, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here's where you'll find everything you need, from chats to calendars. For our purpose, you'll want to locate and click on the Shifts tab. This is specifically designed for managing work schedules easily and effectively. Once you're in the Shifts section, you'll need to choose the team for which you want to manage shifts. If you're part of multiple teams, they will all be listed here. Selecting the right team is crucial because shifts are organized on a team-by-team basis, helping you manage your time and tasks more efficiently. Now that you're in the right team's shift calendar, you'll see a schedule grid. It's time to add some shifts. Click on plus add shift on the calendar underneath the team member's name. This action will open up a new shift entry for you. Here, you'll provide all the necessary details about the shift. This includes setting the start and end time, adding notes, and specifying any breaks. This information ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding work hours and responsibilities. After you've entered all the shift details, remember to click Save. This step is key as it locks in all the information you've just added. Not saving could mean all your inputs vanish, and you'd need to start again, so this is definitely one click you don't want to miss. With the shifts created, it's important to ensure they're assigned correctly. The assignment can happen right when you're creating the shift or afterward, and it's this step that connects a shift to a specific team member, letting them know what's expected. Once you've created and assigned your shifts, there's one final step: sharing these shifts with the team. You'll want to do this so everyone is informed and there are no surprises. For this, simply click Share with Team at the top right of the screen. Doing so will notify your team about the new shifts, ensuring everyone is updated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have effectively managed team schedules using Microsoft Teams shifts. It's a straightforward process, but a powerful tool for any manager or team leader. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shift managing with Microsoft Teams.